Some jobs require strength, others demand precision. The best manufacturing environments master both. Made in America, Treston's Workmaster delivers the strength and stability demanding manufacturing environments depend on. From heavy assembly to precision electronics, Workmaster is engineered to support every stage of production. Because no two manufacturing processes are alike, Workmaster adapts to yours with modular accessories designed to improve organization, efficiency, and productivity. From aerospace and defense to medical device and electronics manufacturing, Workmaster is trusted where quality, consistency, and reliability matter most. Designed to support ANSI ESD S2020 compliance, integrated ESD protection helps safeguard sensitive electronics throughout the manufacturing process. Workmaster doesn't choose between strength and precision. It delivers both. Treston Workmaster, engineered for strength, designed for precision.